Okay, I wanted to just show you this new online store that I found. It's called Home Sew. It's homesew.com. And it's got all kinds of different things for doll stuff and sewing. I especially liked the lace that they had. I bought the ruffled lace, 1/2 inch. You can get it for 10 yards for $7 or 75 yards for $33. It's a killer deal. When sewing for dolls, you want to make sure that it's usually 1 inch or less, otherwise it's too big. And they've got a huge selection. They've even got lace assortments where it's got doll lace that are all a 1/2 inch or less for $5.95. They've got ruffled eyelet lace, 50 yards for $39.50. Of course, it says it's out of stock, but it comes in stock, comes back in stock because I was able to buy some. And then 1 inch, 10 yards for $12.29 or 50 yards for $43.88. So I just thought this was a really good deal, really good place to find lace and trim. They also have where you can get a whole big roll like this, 10 yards for $8.50, 100 yards for $46.75. Now this is for double fold. I usually use single fold, which single fold 200 yards is $66.75. This is usually the size that I get, half inch single fold bias tape. Thank you for watching this video. Please comment below any online stores that you have found great deals on. Thanks again for watching. Bye.